Sol.
Vincent, my God. How long has it been since huli tayo nagkita?
Tagal na rin ho. Kita si Eric, kamusta si Eric?
Mahinang-mahina pa rin. Hindi siya nakatulog kagabi kaya ngayon lang bumabawi ng pahinga. This looks so familiar. My son lying on a hospital bed, and you here. Parang nangyari na ito noon eh. Pero alam ko marami na nagbago. Alam ko ang lahat na nangyari sa inyo ni Eric. Isa lang ang hiling ko, Vincent. When my son wakes up, please, don't say anything that'll hurt his feelings. He's already been through a lot.